the two members of my family. My mother name are Ana Isabel Chipagauta. She lived in Tunja and she's Gursing the UPTC University. She's 57 years old. Also, she's like too good to the pool and the air. Favorite food is the beef. She's like the Vicente Fernandez song. She of a medium head. She is of brown. She has 4 children and the 3 grandchildren. My Dolores name are Karen Cole. She's like in Tunja. She studies at Nuestra Señora de Fatima School. She's 10 years old. Also, she is like too good to the pool and the head. Favorite food is the hamburger. Cheese small, the cheese of a brown skin, and the cheese have long hair. Also, cheese have a sister. Thank you.